friends, now I am telling Aranyakanda in Ramayana. It describes Rama meeting so many rishis, finally reaching Panchavati. A lady named Surpanaka coming and meeting Rama. Maricha turning into a small golden deer and kidnap of Sita Devi. Now we'll start story. Rama, Sita and Lakshmana, first they were in Chitrakuta, but their all Ayodhya people were coming to pluck some flowers, pluck some fruits. So, as per their mother Kaikeyi and father Dasaratha's promise, they decided to go Dandakaranya and stay there. So they are moving forward, and they saw one rishi named Hatri and his wife named Anasuya. So three of the people went to their hut. Rama and Lakshmana learned so many things from Atri. Anasuya treated Sita Devi as her own daughter and gifted so many ornaments to Sita Devi. After work over there, they are moving forward, and they saw one huge devil named Virada. That Virada snatched Sita Devi. Rama and Lakshmana shooted so many arrows, but that Virada didn't hide because he had a boon not to die because of weapons. So Rama got one idea. Rama and Lakshmana made one big hole and thought of putting that demon in that hole. To put the demon in this hole, we have to touch him, no? So once Rama touched that demon, he will turn into Gandharva. Because someone gave that curse to Virada. So once Rama touched and he turned into Gandharva. After work over there, they moving forward, and they saw another rishi named Agastya. That Agastya gave so many powerful weapons to Rama and Lakshmana. He told, hey, there one forest named Panchavati on the Godavari. You go to Dandakaranya and build a Panchavati on the river Godavari. You can stay there. It's very calm and beautiful forest. You can stay there. So, like that, Rama met so many rishis and finally reached Panchavati. Finally reached Dandakaranya and built Panchavati on river Godavari. The forest was very calm and beautiful. Bharata was ruling the kingdom, and Rama, Sita, Lakshmana were leading their life in Dandakaranya. One day Rama was doing meditation. That time one lady named Surpanaka came and so Rama, who was Surpanaka? We know Ravana came to Sita Devi Swayamvaram. That Ravana's sister is Surpanaka. She saw Rama and thought, hey, he's very beautiful. I will ask him to marry me. But she is not that much beautiful. Then Rama will not accept to marry her. No. So with her magic powers, she turned into a beautiful girl and went near Rama and asked, Rama, I want to marry you. Please, can you marry me? But Rama told, no, I already got married. I have a wife named Sita Devi. I don't want to marry anyone now. She's only the wife for me in this life. Then Surpanaka became angry and showed her real gesture to Rama. That time Sita Devi bought some food for Rama. Then Surpanaka saw Sita Devi's beauty and catched Sita Devi's neck and trying to kill her. She thought, if I kill this Sita Devi, this Rama will marry me. Then Lakshmana seeing this Lakshmana, he cutted Rama, he cutted Surpanaka's nose, and yes, Surpanaka cried and went to Lanka near Ravana and told what and all happened in the forest. Then Ravana also became angry and went to forest with his hundreds of soldiers. We know, no, Rama is super warrior. So Rama shooted one arrow only, but all the soldiers just died. Then Ravana and Surpanaka also surprised. They hurt it. Then Rama shooted one wind arrow to Ravana. Ravana shaked, he also fell down. Then after Ravana came to consciousness, he didn't remember anything. But Surpanaka told Sita Devi is very beautiful, you will like her, you marry her so I can marry Rama very easily. He remembered that and he came with wicked plan. We saw no Maricha, devil Maricha escaped from Vishwamitra's Yagam. Ravana will meet that Maricha and tell his plan that Maricha, you turned into a small cute deer and attract Sita Devi. Please you. So Maricha accepted and turned into a small cute deer and wandering around Rama's garden. That time Sita Devi came to pluck some flowers. Sita Devi saw that Maricha and thought, this deer is very cute. I want this. I will ask my husband Rama. I want this. So she called Rama and told this. But Lakshmana got one doubt. Sister-in-law, you don't believe this deer. If any animals or birds, if they see hunters or humans, no, they will escape from that place. But this deer is not like that. Someone planned this. Don't believe this deer. Please, you don't ask this deer. Sita Devi didn't listen. No, Lakshmana, I want that deer. No, Lakshmana, I want that deer. So Rama went to bring that deer. He went to bring only, but one time that deer is going somewhere, coming somewhere, going somewhere. So, disappearing. So, Rama shooted one arrow to the deer. That Maricha shouted, Sita, Lakshmana. Not in his real voice. He shouted in Rama's voice. Then Sita Devi is scared and told Lakshmana, hey Lakshmana, something happened to your brother. Go and save him. Please go and save him. Lakshmana told, no, this is some other voice. You don't worry. He's no fighting very spurly. You don't worry. Sita Devi told, hey, if someone called like that, why they will call Lakshmana? They will call their relations. No, this is Rama's voice only. You go and save him. You will go, or shall I go? Give your bow and arrows. I will only go. Lakshmana told, no, I will only go. I will not send you. I will only go. But I am drawing this line. This is not only line. This is powerful Lakshmana Rekha. Any wicked person came, the fire will come and they will burn, but you don't cross this line. So Lakshmana told like that and left that place. Listening this Ravana, he turned into Swamiji and went to Panchavati. He told Sita Devi, I am very hungry. Please give me some food to eat. So Sita Devi bought some food to eat. Sita Devi told, hey Swamiji, can you cross this line and come? I can't come because my Lakshmana told, don't cross this line. Please come in this line. Inside this line. So, Ravana didn't listen. Hey Sita Devi, how dare you to tell that you only come? Otherwise, I will curse you. Sita Devi scared and crossed that line. After crossing that line, Ravana immediately turned into Swamiji immediately turned into Ravana. Sita Devi scared and shouted Rama Lakshmana Rama Lakshmana, but no one are there. After some time, Ravana took Sita Devi to his kingdom Lanka. On the way, Jatayu saw Sita Devi. Who is Jatayu? We know Dasaratha, like Dasaratha's friend is Jatayu. Jatayu saw Sita Devi and asked, Hey Sita Devi, why are you crying? What happened to you? Like that, asked so many questions. Sita Devi told, this boy name is Ravana. He's taking me to his kingdom. Please save me. You're the strongest bird. Please save me. Then Jatayu also tried so much. But before Ravana's power, Jatayu hurt it badly and now he is in critical condition. After some time, Ravana took Sita Devi to his kingdom Lanka. Meanwhile, Lakshmana, who went to search Rama, finally met Rama. Rama saw Lakshmana and asked, Hey Lakshmana, why you came? By leaving your sister-in-law. First of all, I told you, don't leave your sister-in-law, no? Now something will happen to your sister-in-law. We have to save her. Lakshmana will tell, No, I drew a Lakshmana Rekha and came. Nothing will happen to her, you don't worry. But Rama didn't listen. Like that, Lakshmana also scared and both of them went in hurry to Dandakaranya. After they went to Dandakaranya, there is no more Sita Devi. Then they heard a voice like Rama, 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 Rama. Who is that? Jatayu. So they went to that place and met Jatayu. Jatayu told what and all Jatayu saw. And after saying all these things, Jatayu died. Then Rama started searching someone for help to fight with Ravana, because Ravana will have so many soldiers. No, Rama left his kingdom Ayodhya and came. So he will not have any soldiers. He will have only Lakshmana. But Ravana is not like that. No, he is in his own kingdom. No, so he will have so many soldiers. So they went to search someone for help. On the way, they saw one lady named Kabanda. Kabanda told, in this kingdom you will get one monkey king named Sugriva. He will help you in anything. You can ask help from him. So Rama and Lakshmana met Sugriva and asked Sugriva, I have a wife named Sita Devi. She got kidnapped from devil Ravana. I can't do anything. I also know fighting, but now I can't do fighting because I have only my brother named Lakshmana. I don't have anyone. So you can help me. Sugriva told, I can help you, but now I can't help because I have a twin brother named Vali. He's always disturbing me. I will take your kingdom, I will take your wife, I will take your kingdom, I will take your wife. After this problem solved, I can help you. Please don't ask till that time. Rama told, okay, this problem will solve now only. I will help you in fighting Sugriva. Thank you.